Hi guys, so good evening. Tonight I will be showing you, I'm going to teach you how to clean your tarnished silvers or your jewelry. So as you can see right now, I'm in the bathroom, the boyfriend's bathroom, because where else, right? Anyways, so I have here tarnished jewelry, katong na dirty na jewelry, silver. So what you need, you'll be needing, of course, your jewelry, because you're going to clean the jewelry, and also a bowl with aluminum foil, and also baking soda and hot water, boiling water. So I'm going to teach you now how to clean it, okay, step by step, para sa yon. Alright, okay, so you're going to put your jewelry, so I have here and now you're going to add the boiling water. So makita mo siguro mas aso, no? The baking soda. So actually mabuwa siya, no? There, it's bubbling. And then while it's doing like that, we're just going to mix it until it's clean. Yeah, that's easy. So once you're done, you're just going to discard the hot water, of course. And then after discarding the hot water, so all left is your jewelry. After that, you're just going to get the jewelry and you will so I have here my jewelry, you see that, and we're just going to clean it with tissue. Just clean. So as you can see, the tissue, yung mga itong. So that's from the jewelry. So you're just gonna clean it all. So guys, if you enjoyed or learned something from my video, click on subscribe. Also, don't forget to like and click on the bell sign so that you'll be notified if I have a new video. Alright, thank you for watching. Bye!